In today's video, we're going to be looking at Windows' built-in speech dictation function. This function can be brought up by pressing the Windows key and H. Once pressed, you'll hear a sound telling you when to speak, and from that point it's going to listen to your words and type them into whichever text field you've got. This is very useful for if you do not have access to your keyboard, or just a certain amount of keys, or you struggle with typing quickly. I hope this has helped you. Please visit kazzicom.com for information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365 and many more services.